Welcome to the dawn of the agentic era, where artificial intelligence takes a bold leap forward. With the release of GPT 5.5, codenamed SPUD, we witness a transformation in how machines execute tasks, plan, and adapt. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. The focus moves from simple prompt engineering to orchestrating intelligent agents capable of autonomous action. In this video, we'll explore the technical blueprint behind GPT 5.5, its groundbreaking 1 million token context, and how it empowers users to become strategic directors rather than micromanagers. Let's embark on this journey to understand how the agentic era is set to redefine the boundaries of AI. Evolution from prompt engineering to agent orchestration marks a significant change in the AI landscape. Previously, users had to guide every step, acting as micromanagers for their AI tools. Now, with GPT 5.5, the human role is elevated to that of a strategic director. This means you define the outcomes, set constraints, and let the AI handle the planning and execution. The result? Faster, more efficient workflows that free up human creativity and strategic thinking. This shift is not just about convenience, it's about unlocking new levels of productivity and innovation. The heart of GPT 5.5 is the concept of the autonomous operator. Unlike previous models that required step-by-step guidance, GPT 5.5 can plan, act, adapt, and verify its own actions. This means it can take on complex tasks, iterate on solutions, and ensure the outcomes meet your requirements, all with minimal human intervention. The autonomous operator is a game-changer for industries that demand reliability and adaptability, setting a new standard for what AI can achieve. One of the most impressive features of GPT 5.5 is its ability to process up to 1 million tokens in a single prompt. This massive context window allows the model to handle entire codebases, lengthy documents, or complex datasets without losing track of details. For developers and researchers, this means fewer limitations and more seamless integration of information. The 1M context capability is a foundational leap, enabling more sophisticated reasoning and richer outputs than ever before. Speed is crucial in modern AI applications, and GPT 5.5 delivers. With latency parity matching the previous GPT 5.4 speeds, users experience rapid responses even when working with massive contexts. This ensures that productivity isn't compromised, and real-time applications remain smooth and efficient. Whether you're coding, analyzing data, or automating workflows, GPT 5.5 keeps pace with your needs. GPT 5.5's agentic reasoning sets it apart from its predecessors. Scoring 82.7% on the Terminal Bench 2, it demonstrates the ability to plan, adapt, and verify its actions across multi-step tasks. This reflexive loop, where the model learns from production traffic and adapts its strategies, ensures that outcomes are not just accurate but also efficient. The result is a system that continuously improves and delivers reliable results in complex scenarios. GPT 5.5 comes in several deployment tiers, each tailored for different needs. The standard thinking model is ideal for most coding and knowledge work, while the Pro version offers enhanced capabilities for mission-critical research and complex synthesis. There's also a fast mode, optimized for interactive coding and developer sessions where speed is paramount. Each variant leverages the 1M context window, ensuring flexibility and power across use cases. GPT 5.5 utilizes parallel test time compute, allowing it to process multiple tasks simultaneously. This is especially beneficial for agentic coding, computer use, and knowledge work loops. The model leads in benchmarks like BrowseComp and Frontier Math, proving its strength in both general and specialized domains. Parallelism ensures that even the most demanding workflows are handled efficiently. When it comes to autonomy, GPT 5.5 shines. It achieves 82.7% on Terminal Bench 2, outperforming previous models by a significant margin. Its ability to handle multi-hour CLI workflows and complex coding tasks makes it a reliable partner for developers and enterprises alike. The model's performance on OS World and GDP-Val benchmarks further cements its reputation as a leader in autonomous AI. GPT 5.5 brings native computer use into the mainstream. It can operate browsers and desktop applications directly, even for software that lacks APIs. This capability bridges the gap between traditional automation and modern AI, enabling the model to execute full loops, finding information, understanding relevance, using tools, and verifying outputs. For businesses, this means more seamless automation and integration across platforms. The 78.7% score on OS World, GPT 5.5 overtakes previous leaders and brings reliable computer automation into production-ready territory. This achievement marks a turning point for enterprises seeking to automate knowledge work and routine tasks. The model's robust performance ensures that automation is not just possible, but dependable at scale. GPT 5.5 introduces a new economic model for enterprises through prompt caching. While the base token price is higher, a 90% discount on cached inputs can dramatically lower per-task costs. By front-loading static data, organizations can optimize their workflows and achieve significant savings. This approach makes always-on agentic loops both practical and cost-effective. AI landscape is no longer defined by vendors, but by the specific tasks at hand. With GPT 5.5, organizations can choose the best model for each job, whether it's high-volume batch reasoning, fact-based drafting, or complex synthesis. This flexibility ensures that resources are allocated efficiently and outcomes are optimized for every scenario. GPT 5.5 stands out in head-to-head comparisons with other leading models. It leads in multi-hour autonomy and computer use, outperforming Claude Opus 4.7 and Gemini 3.1 Pro in key benchmarks. However, it also carries a higher long-form hallucination risk, highlighting the importance of choosing the right model for each task. Cost, speed, and accuracy all play a role in determining the best fit for your needs. In the field of bioinformatics, GPT 5.5 Pro demonstrates its power by analyzing complex gene expression datasets in hours instead of months. For example, Jackson Laboratory processed 62-sample, 28K gene datasets rapidly, unlocking new possibilities for scientific discovery. This capability accelerates research and brings advanced data analysis within reach for more organizations. GPT 5.5 excels in scientific workflows, achieving 80.5% on Bix Bench. It acts as a reliable co-scientist, handling multi-step bioinformatics research with ease. This reliability transforms how scientists approach complex problems, enabling faster iteration and more robust results. The model's performance in real-world scenarios proves its value as a partner in discovery. GPT 5.5 sets a new standard in visual reasoning, scoring 85% on ArcAGI2 for novel pattern recognition. Its ability to generate 3D scenes from text and hold state across complex outputs is unprecedented. This opens the door to advanced applications in enterprise data analysis, 3D modeling, and beyond, making AI a more versatile tool for creative and analytical tasks. State-of-the-art office date tool usage, GPT 5.5 achieves 54.1% on Databricks Office QA and 88.5% on investment banking modeling tasks. These results showcase its ability to handle complex enterprise data workflows, providing accurate and actionable insights. For businesses, this means better decision-making and more efficient operations. GPT 5.5's advanced capabilities come with both opportunities and risks. Rated high for offensive capability under OpenAI's preparedness framework, it can simulate complex network intrusions and outperform previous models in cybersecurity benchmarks. This dual-use nature means organizations must balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring that powerful tools are used ethically and securely. To address security concerns, GPT 5.5 offers enterprise implementation protocols like trusted access. Verified defenders can bypass standard classifiers for legitimate security operations, such as SOC triage and vulnerability scanning. This ensures that defensive workflows remain effective while maintaining robust safeguards against misuse. The way we prompt AI models has evolved. In the GPT-4 era, rigid step-by-step processes often limited the model's effectiveness. Overspecifying instructions led to mechanical answers and inefficient tool use. With GPT 5.5, the focus shifts to defining outcomes and letting the model plan the most efficient path. This outcome-first approach leverages the model's advanced reasoning to deliver better results with less micromanagement. Legacy prompting strategies often required users to specify every step, never ask clarifying questions, and follow rigid sequences. This approach narrowed the search space and limited the model's ability to find creative solutions. In practice, it meant faster models like GPT 5.5 were held back, unable to fully utilize their capabilities. Recognizing these pitfalls is key to unlocking the full potential of modern AI. The modern approach to prompting focuses on defining the final destination, providing constraints, and letting the model chart the most efficient course. This means specifying what the answer must include, setting checkpoints, and allowing the model to ask questions only when necessary. The result is a more flexible, efficient, and effective AI that can handle complex tasks with minimal oversight. In practice, outcome-first prompting means configuring your system to focus on results. By updating prompt rules and system prompts, you ensure that the model understands the desired outcome and can plan accordingly. This approach streamlines workflows and maximizes the value of each interaction with the AI. A realistic working example shows how system prompts can be configured to define outcomes and verification steps. By acting as a strategic director, the human user sets the goals and lets the AI handle the details. This division of labor ensures that both human and machine strengths are fully leveraged for optimal results. Success with GPT 5.5 often requires multimodal routing by task class. For high-volume batch reasoning, Gemini 3.1 Pro is preferred for its cost efficiency. For fact-based drafting with low hallucination risk, Claude Opus 4.7 is the go-to choice. GPT 5.5 excels in complex, outcome-driven tasks. This strategic routing ensures the right tool is used for every job. Front-loading static data, such as codebases and system instructions, into context caches is a key strategy for optimizing costs. By doing so, organizations can benefit from the 90% input token discount, making always-on agentic loops more affordable. This approach is essential for scaling AI-driven workflows efficiently. To fully leverage GPT 5.5, legacy prompt stacks must be upgraded to outcome-first parameters. This means removing rigid process steps, adding explicit stopping conditions, and clearly defining desired outcomes. These upgrades ensure that the model operates at peak efficiency and delivers the best possible results. Deploying GPT 5.5 effectively involves a 72-hour execution checklist. First, update prompting standards by auditing legacy prompts and removing rigid steps. Next, implement caching to capture input token discounts. Then, deploy agentic loops for CLI automation and native UI tasks. Finally, calibrate security by applying for trusted access when needed. This systematic approach ensures a smooth and secure transition. The first step in the checklist is to update prompting standards. This involves auditing existing prompts, removing unnecessary process steps, and injecting explicit stopping conditions and outcome definitions. By doing so, you ensure that the model operates with clarity and efficiency, reducing the risk of infinite tool loops or mechanical answers. Implementing caching is crucial for optimizing costs and performance. By front-loading static data, such as codebases and instructions, you can capture significant input token discounts. This makes always-on agentic loops more affordable and ensures that the model has immediate access to essential information. The next step is to deploy agentic loops, migrating CLI automation and native UI tasks to the GPT 5.5 standard. This ensures that workflows are handled autonomously, reducing manual intervention and increasing efficiency. Agentic loops are the backbone of modern AI-driven operations. Security calibration is essential when deploying advanced AI models. For organizations running legitimate SOC and defensive workflows, applying for trusted access allows bypassing standard classifiers. This ensures that security operations remain effective while maintaining compliance and safety. Once all steps are completed, the deployment sequence is finished. GPT 5.5 is now ready to operate at full capacity, delivering autonomous execution, massive context handling, and outcome-first reasoning. This marks the beginning of a new chapter in AI-driven productivity and innovation. In the agentic era, the human role is redefined. Rather than micromanaging every step, users become strategic directors, focusing on defining outcomes and verifying results. This shift empowers individuals and organizations to harness AI's full potential while maintaining control over the direction and quality of work. GPT 5.5's architecture is designed with outcomes in mind. By prioritizing the end result and allowing the model to plan the most efficient path, users benefit from faster, more accurate, and more relevant outputs. This outcome-driven approach is the cornerstone of the agentic era. Key strength of GPT 5.5 is its ability to plan and adapt. Whether it's handling multi-step workflows or responding to changing requirements, the model continuously evaluates its actions and adjusts as needed. This adaptability ensures that outcomes are not just achieved, but optimized for each unique scenario. Verification is built into GPT 5.5's workflow. The model checks its outputs against defined criteria, ensuring that results meet expectations. This reliability is crucial for enterprise applications, where accuracy and consistency are paramount. With GPT 5.5, users can trust that their AI-driven processes are both effective and dependable. GPT 5.5 doesn't just execute tasks, it learns and improves over time. By analyzing production traffic and adapting its strategies, the model becomes more effective with each use. This iterative improvement ensures that organizations always benefit from the latest advancements in AI technology. One of GPT 5.5's standout features is its ability to coordinate multiple tools and resources. Whether it's integrating with Office suites, data platforms, or custom applications, the model manages complex workflows with ease. This mastery of tool coordination is essential for tackling today's multifaceted challenges. GPT 5.5 excels in the knowledge work loop, seamlessly integrating information retrieval, analysis, and action. This loop is the foundation of modern knowledge work, enabling users to move from data to decision with unprecedented speed and accuracy. The model's ability to handle entire workflows autonomously is a major step forward for productivity. The real-world impact of GPT 5.5 is already being felt across industries. From accelerating scientific research to automating enterprise workflows, the model is driving innovation and efficiency. Organizations that adopt GPT 5.5 are positioned to lead in the agentic era, leveraging AI to solve complex problems and unlock new opportunities. As we look to the future, the agentic era promises even greater advancements. With models like GPT 5.5 paving the way, we can expect more autonomous, adaptable, and outcome-driven AI systems. The possibilities are vast, and the journey is just beginning. Staying ahead means embracing these changes and continuously evolving alongside the technology. To recap, GPT 5.5 introduces autonomous execution, a massive 1M token context, and an outcome-first architecture. It redefines the human role, optimizes workflows, and delivers reliable, scalable automation. By adopting outcome-first prompting and leveraging advanced features, organizations can unlock new levels of productivity and innovation in the agentic era. The agentic era is here, and GPT 5.5 is leading the charge. By embracing these new capabilities and strategies, individuals and organizations can stay ahead of the curve. The future belongs to those who adapt, innovate, and harness the full power of agentic AI. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of GPT 5.5 and the beginning of a new era in artificial intelligence.